Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's kind of a weird video. I'm gonna have Siri pick which animal I should buy. So yeah, it's definitely weird, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna first, since there are three regions or how many animals? 6, 12, like 15. So I'm gonna ask Siri pick a number 1 through 15, and she's gonna pick. So hopefully you can hear this. Not sure. Pick a number 1 through 15.
It's 12.
12. Okay, so we need to pick out our 12th animal or 12th animal. So I'm going to just click off that. On like the Siri screen, it says random 1 through 15, and it shows the number that it picked. So yeah, pretty cool. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, kind of cute, kind of cute. Now we'll have it pick the color 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So let's have it pick a number 1 through 20. Pick a number
I'm not
1.
sure I understand.
Oop. Pick a number 1 through 20.
The answer is 5.
Random color 5. Okay, so a random color is 5. This is 5. Pick a number 1 through 5. Or no, not 1 through 5. Pick a number 1 through 20.
It's 15.
15. So 5, 10, 15. That's our 15th. Okay, it actually does kind of match. So. Okay, now pick a number 1 through 6. Pick a number 1 through 6.
It's 5.
1. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. So this is our 5th one. Okay, now we're just, for the hair, we're going to pick a number 1 through 5. Go to the 5th one that we see. Pick a number 1 through 5.
It's 3.
3, so we click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So there's our cute little hair. Now I'm gonna, oops, I just clicked off of it. Nope, right there. And I will show you my finishing weird animal when I'm done. So yeah. Okay, so I did the rest. I even randomly chose the name. And here is our finishing animal.